seen dozens of websites claiming they can generate unlimited Nitro codes or give you free Nitro if you just complete a few simple steps. Maybe they ask you to log in with your Discord account. Maybe they tell you to download a program. Or maybe they promise a free Nitro code after completing a survey. The problem is that almost every one of those websites is trying to scam you. Every year, thousands of Discord users lose access to their accounts because they trusted a fake Nitro website that looked completely legitimate. So before you click on another free Nitro link, let's separate fact from fiction. In this video, I'll show you the legitimate ways to get Discord Nitro for free in 2026, explain why so many so-called Nitro generators are scams, and give you a simple checklist you can use to avoid losing your account. Let's start with the biggest misconception. Number 1, why most free Nitro links are scams. Here's the reality. Discord doesn't have a secret website where anyone can generate unlimited Nitro codes. Those websites simply don't exist. Instead, scammers create fake pages that look almost identical to Discord's official website. Everything seems normal. The Discord logo is there. The colors match. The login page looks real. But the moment you enter your email and password, you've handed your account directly to the scammer. Some websites take it even further. Instead of asking for your password, they'll ask for your Discord token. If you've never heard of a Discord token before, think of it as a key that allows someone to access your account without even knowing your password. No legitimate Discord promotion will ever ask for your account token. Another common trick is fake software downloads. The website claims you need to run a small application before your Nitro can be activated. In reality, you're downloading malware that can steal passwords, browser cookies, saved payment information, and even cryptocurrency wallets. Some scams don't even pretend to give you Nitro. Instead, they keep asking you to complete surveys, install apps, or invite friends until you've wasted an hour and still receive absolutely nothing. Here's the simplest rule to remember. If the offer isn't coming directly from Discord or one of Discord's official partners, don't trust it. Discord doesn't randomly give third-party websites permission to generate Nitro codes. If someone claims they do, they're lying. Now let's talk about the methods that actually work. Number 2, Method 1, Discord quests. The easiest legitimate way to earn free Discord Nitro is through Discord quests. If you haven't looked at the quests section before, you're not alone. Many users don't even realize it exists. Discord regularly partners with game developers and publishers to promote new games or events. Instead of simply showing advertisements, Discord gives users optional challenges called quests. These are usually very simple. You might need to play a featured game for a certain amount of time. Sometimes you'll be asked to stream a game in a voice channel with friends. Other quests might involve watching a short promotional video or trying a new feature. Once you complete the objective, Discord rewards eligible users with items like avatar decorations, profile effects, or sometimes a free Nitro trial. These Nitro trials usually last between 1 and 3 months, depending on the promotion. The important thing is that everything happens inside the official Discord app. There's no need to visit random websites or enter your password anywhere else. If you don't currently see any available quests, don't worry. They rotate regularly. Check the quests tab every few weeks because new promotions appear throughout the year. If you're hoping to get free Nitro safely, this should always be the first place you check. Number 3, Method 2. Official partner promotions. The second legitimate method is through official partner promotions. Discord frequently works with well-known companies to offer free Nitro trials as part of special promotions. Over the years, we've seen Nitro bundled with gaming services, hardware purchases, online subscriptions, and major game launches. These promotions are usually available for a limited time. Sometimes they're only available in certain countries. Sometimes they're only for new Nitro subscribers. That's why reading the promotion details is important before getting excited. The safest way to find these offers is through Discord's official announcements. Check Discord's official blog, follow Discord's verified social media accounts, or look for announcements directly inside the Discord app. Avoid relying on random YouTube comments, unofficial Discord servers, or social media posts claiming to have exclusive Nitro links. Many scammers simply copy real promotions and replace the official link with their own phishing website. Always verify the URL before clicking. If the promotion isn't coming from Discord or a trusted partner, it's better to ignore it. Number 4, method 3. Student and gaming platform offers. Another legitimate way to get Discord Nitro is through education and gaming partnerships. From time to time, student programs include Discord Nitro as part of larger software bundles. These promotions often target university students and developers by providing access to premium software, learning resources, and sometimes Discord Nitro for a limited period. Gaming subscription services have also included Nitro trials and special promotions. These aren't permanent subscriptions, but they're completely legitimate because they come from recognized companies working directly with Discord. The exact offers change over time, so don't expect the same promotions to stay available forever. If you're a student, it's worth checking whether your school provides access to education benefits that occasionally include Discord Nitro. Likewise, if you're already subscribed to gaming services, check their current rewards because you may already qualify without realizing it. Number 5, how to spot a Discord Nitro scam. Now let's go over a quick scam checklist. This alone can save your account. First, always check the website address. Scammers copy Discord's design almost perfectly. The only obvious difference is usually the URL. Instead of discord.com, you might see something slightly different with extra words, numbers, or unusual spellings. Second, never enter your Discord password anywhere except the official Discord website or app. No legitimate Nitro promotion requires you to log into another website. Third, never share your Discord token. Discord employees won't ask for it. Official partners won't ask for it. Anyone requesting your token is trying to steal your account. Fourth, never download unknown software to activate Nitro. Discord doesn't require installers, unlockers, generators, or activation tools. Finally, be suspicious of anything promising lifetime Nitro, unlimited Nitro, or instant premium upgrades. If something sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. A few minutes of caution can save you weeks of trying to recover a hacked account. Number 6, what to do if you already clicked a scam link. If you've already entered your Discord login information into a suspicious website, act immediately. Change your Discord password as soon as possible. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Check the devices section in your Discord settings and sign out of any sessions you don't recognize. If you downloaded a suspicious file, run a full antivirus scan before opening Discord again. The faster you respond, the better your chances of protecting your account. Final verdict. So, can you really get Discord Nitro for free? Yes, but only through legitimate methods. Discord quests, official partner promotions, and student or gaming platform offers are the safest and most reliable ways to get free Nitro in 2026. Everything else, Nitro generators, fake login pages, token requests, and downloadable unlock tools, is almost certainly a scam. Protect your account, stick to official sources, and don't let the promise of free Nitro cost you your Discord account. If you know of a new Nitro scam that's been spreading recently, let everyone know in the comments so other users can avoid it. And if you want more Discord tutorials, fixes, and security guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.